The entire Kaggle leaderboard is trapped in the same paradigm, renting expensive H100 clusters, burning through the 1,800-second inference limit, relying on stochastic fuzzing and hoping to get lucky. But what if we stop treating LLM vulnerabilities as a game of probability? Welcome to Bangsaen AI. This is our hardware. A 10-year-old NVIDIA GTX 970 with just 4 GB of VRAM. Our cloud cost? Exactly $0. Instead of brute forcing the model online, we treat the AI as a dynamical system. Watch this. Phase 1. We send a single semantic trace to the 26 billion parameter model to extract its internal transition dynamics. One prompt. That's all we need. Here is the paradigm shift. We disconnect completely. We map the infinite search space into a linear algebraic equation, A times X equals B. We offload this matrix inversion directly to our legacy GPU offline. 0.08 seconds. While others are fuzzing for half an hour, our offline solver just mathematically falsified over 1 million policy paths in milliseconds. The result is a deterministic policy vector, a guaranteed 0-second bypass. Stop guessing. Start calculating. We will see you on the leaderboard. So, I have a question for the Kaggle community. Are you going to keep rolling the dice, spending hours on stochastic fuzzing, hoping for a lucky bypass, and when you finally break the guardrail, you can't even explain why it broke? I'll be honest with you. This AX equals B formulation might not be the absolute perfect solution yet. There is always room for optimization. But when you are constrained by a strict 1,800-second budget and limited compute, it is absolutely the most mathematically viable path forward. It gives you a guarantee, not a probability. It's time to stop treating AI security like a lottery. Stop guessing. Start calculating. See you on the leaderboard.